Did you know that over half the world's population eats rice every single day? But in many places, it's never even considered as a breakfast food. It might sound unusual, especially if you're used to toast, eggs, or cereal in the morning. But here's the twist: rice might actually be one of the healthiest ways to start your day. Let's get started after you consider subscribing for more health tips and food wisdom just like this. Rice is a staple in many cultures. Think Asia, Africa, South America. In places like Japan or Nigeria, rice isn't just a lunch or dinner food. It's part of breakfast too, and not just as a leftover, but as a meal on its own. So, why is rice missing from so many morning routines in the West? Well, traditional Western breakfasts have conditioned us to think we need protein heavy, fast acting meals like bacon, sausages, eggs, or sugary cereals to kickstart the day. Carbs like rice are often viewed as heavy, boring, or something that'll spike your blood sugar. But this belief is rooted more in habit than in fact. Rice is actually one of the most misunderstood foods out there. It's seen as just filler or a side dish. But when you dig deeper, you realize rice, especially brown rice, is a powerhouse of nutrition. It provides your body with complex carbohydrates, which offer a steady source of energy throughout the morning. That means fewer cravings, less snacking, and more stamina to get through your day. And if you're worried about blood sugar spikes, brown rice in particular has a lower glycemic index than most processed cereals. It digests slowly, giving you a more balanced energy release without the crash. Let's talk benefits. Rice helps regulate cholesterol, especially brown rice, which contains compounds that support HDL, your good cholesterol, while lowering the bad. It's rich in magnesium and selenium, two minerals essential for heart health. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure, while selenium works to reduce plaque buildup in the arteries. Together, they help support a strong cardiovascular system. There's more. Rice, particularly brown rice, is also high in antioxidants and fiber. These nutrients have been linked to lower risks of colon and breast cancer, thanks to their ability to bind and flush out harmful toxins. One cup of cooked brown rice even delivers about 20% of your daily magnesium needs, which is also great for bone strength and relaxation of the nervous system. And speaking of nerves, did you know rice contains amino acids like GABA and glutamine? These are natural mood stabilizers that help reduce anxiety and improve your sense of calm. So, starting your morning with rice might actually help you feel more grounded and less stressed. Plus, rice is incredibly versatile. It doesn't have to be plain. You can season it with your favorite spices, mix it with eggs, sauteed veggies, or even lean proteins. Add in some avocado and soy sauce for a savory bowl. Or if you've got a sweet tooth, try a warm rice porridge made with coconut milk, cinnamon, and fresh fruit. It's cozy, comforting, and completely satisfying. So, yes, it is more than okay to eat rice in the morning. It's actually smart. It fuels your body, supports your health, and breaks the monotony of the usual breakfast choices. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, rice is the perfect canvas to build a meal that works for you. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried rice for breakfast? What's your favorite way to prepare it? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more food tips, natural remedies, and wellness inspiration. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.